to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Capri. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, girl. So today is another wig review video, this time from a new company that I'm trying out. They reached out to me and the company name is MyShinyWigs. You may have seen their videos and their ambassadors all over Instagram. So I'm gonna review a wig for you and let you know how I feel about it. Now this wig is a kinky curly 13x4 Swiss lace frontal, and it is in a 16-inch, and it is a 200% density. So it is pretty curly and pretty thick. I'm anticipating it to be. So let's go right ahead and open up the box. So the box is this really pretty purple and yellow My Shiny Wig box, and it does have their Instagram and Facebook and website on it, and I will link all of this down below. So you open it up, first thing I see, it says shine bright like a diamond. Come on, packaging. I am super big on packaging. I don't know about y'all, but it's the first impressions for me. So it comes with your hair in this nice silk bag, and you also have a bag full of some free goodies. So in this little black cosmetic bag, we have some wig caps. Okay, so we got 4 all together. So you have a darker one and you have a lighter color in the wig cap, so that's really cool. You do have the dual edge brush and comb. You also have, ooh, what is this? Okay, so you have like a little cosmetic brush. So if you want to conceal any parts or anything, they give you a really cute little concealer brush. And it comes with a comb, a rat tail comb. That's really nice. And last but not least, you have some tweezers in case you want to pluck your edges. So that's all the free gifts. Let's go ahead and get into the hair, because that's the most important part, right? So you have the bag, My Shiny Wigs Virgin Hair. Has their Instagram, website, and email address on the bag as well. Ooh, this is too cute. I know I'm out here looking like Caillou and all, but you know, I just had to get this step together first. So of course, all I did was put my wig cap on, sprayed a little got to be glue on the front, and put some concealer on the front so it can look like a ball cap. So I'm gonna take the hair out. So it comes with a net on it. And like I said, this is a 16-inch unit. Take the net off. Stuffing. Oh, this is really cute. It also has the tag on the inside. And on the other side, it does have care instructions, and it does tell you which wig you have. A lot of times we have wigs and we're like, what is this? Where is it from? I can't remember. So yeah, that's really cute. I like that. This wig does have like some baby hairs already on the edges here, so that's really nice that that's out already. Looking at the lace, this is a Swiss lace, like I said, so it is going to kind of match my skin tone a little better than just regular lace, and it is a full frontal wig. And as I stated before, this is the kinky curly, so I'm going to have to finger comb these curls out a little bit later, but I'm just going to show y'all how it looks right out of the pack. That is really gorgeous. I know this is going to look bomb once I get this on my head. So on the inside, we have 4 combs. You have one in the middle, one on both sides, and you have one in the back. You also have the adjustable strap here, which you can detach. That is the first time I've seen that, but you can detach this, and this is what makes this a glueless wig. And it does have the adjustable strap in the back as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and plop this on and see what it's looking like and see what it's giving glueless first before I lay this wig on my head. Okay, so I lied. This wig will not work as a glueless wig whatsoever. I don't know if it's just for me because I have a smaller head, but this thing is like huge. Do you see all that extra space? So I'm gonna have to like cut a lot of this off for this to look more natural around my hairline. And the baby hairs are pretty much only in the front. I can say it will match my scalp color pretty well already, so I don't have to do anything to it. And like I said, it is a Swiss undetectable lace, so yeah, it'll be a good match. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut this lace off, and I'll be right back. I ain't no wig guru or nothing, but I do know how to put a wig on a little bit, so it ain't going nowhere at least. But this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and finger comb these curls out. I really do like this wig so far though, y'all. And like I said, it was like so much extra lace that I had to cut off. I don't know, I don't hate it. I don't hate the idea of it. So I'm just combing these out, finger combing this out. So as you can tell, as I'm combing it, the hair is getting larger. So if you don't want big curls like that, you can leave it as is. And you can also put some product on this if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that with this. I'm just gonna finger comb it out. And I may even go in with some scissors and cut a few layers in that as well.
Sexy.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like all finger combed out. As you can tell, there was a bit of shedding, which is normal because you are finger combing this hair out and it is such a tight curl. But overall, I love this. I'm gonna go ahead and put a headband on it so I can show you all what that looks like as well. Okay, so this is what it looks like with like a cute little headband. I'm loving this. Like, it's really giving like Diana Ross, or I don't know, it's just really cute. Let me know what y'all think down below. Like, would you rock a wig like this or not? Do you stick to like straight hair, curly hair, big curls? What is your go-to wig right now? I feel like it'll keep me warm in the winter. Like, if I want to go outside, I don't even need to throw a hat on because I got so much hair. I love big hair in the wintertime. I don't know about y'all, but I love it. So that is it for this video right now. As always, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time that I post a new video. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can see how I style this cute hair, if I dress it up a little bit. My Instagram name is @SheIsCapri. Go ahead and follow me right after you finish this video. And as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe.